Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this YouTube channel as well as our official website PMCLounge.com. Now, in this video, I am speaking with Marcus Klein, who comes with 20 years of project management experience. He is PMP and PSM, which is Professional Scrum Master certified. He is currently working as a senior project manager and he has a very interesting concept around mind mapping. He has an associated website with it as well, and in this video he talks about what mind mapping really is. Interesting concept. Let's get into the video. All right, Marcus. So one of the other thing that I found very interesting was mind mapping for project management. And I'm pretty sure you're working on one of your project as well, which is mp4pm.com. Correct me if I'm wrong there. Would you mind sharing more details about what this entire concept of mind mapping for project management really is?
Okay, yeah, I would love to do so. So thank you for the opportunity talking about that. And yes, I have to correct you a little bit. It's not mp4pm.com. It's mp4pm.club.
Oh, okay.
So
it's a club that you are preparing.
Yeah, absolutely. It will be a membership site.
Wow.
It's still work in progress. We are currently in the beta phase. And we will launch it. The plan is to launch it maybe in September, could become October. So
so let's say October 2019. Promise October 2019 for our viewers here.
Yeah, genau. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, I love to talk about that because this is my little baby I'm working on since 2 years meanwhile in the background. What is it about? So MP4PM stands for Mind Mapping for Project Management. And the idea is, as I told you before, I'm very related to the PMI project management professional PMP certification, the PMBOK guide, all that stuff. I'm a great, an enthusiastic promoter also of that stuff, and it's not a methodology; it's a philosophy. The PMBOK guide, it's a framework, to be specific.
Right.
And that is exactly the problem. So many people think a PMBOK guide, which PMP is based on, is like Print2, a methodology, but it is not.
It is not correct.
The PMBOK guide is a framework where best practices documented, or good practices, however, developed by a lot of experts all over the world. So, and you as the project manager or as an organization have to use to take the PMBOK guide and transform it in your methodology, which is fitting your organization, which is fitting your processes.
Yeah, the environment that you work in, right?
Absolutely. So, and what I'm trying to do with MP4PM is to provide people exactly that tools and methods and also templates for transforming the PMBOK guide processes into their own processes and fit them in their methodology.
Right.
So, and all that related, thank you, and all that related to mind mapping also, because I'm also a big fan of the mind mapping methodology and technique, and the use or the utilizing of mind mapping tools, software, like the Mind Manager. I'm not sure if you know that, but that is my preferred tool. And the goal with MP4PM is really to take any of the PMBOK guide processes. Actually, there are 49, maybe more or less with the next edition. We don't know yet. And transform them in related mind maps and templates to give the members that instruments for their toolkit to utilize it. So, and that also stuffed with examples, so they can really start just out of the box with let's make it with an example, project charter. So it's mostly the very first process you start with, and in a project, and you will get, as a member of MP4PM, you will get the process mind map for that. You will also get a deliverable mind map, which will guide you through the complete process out of the PMBOK guide, step by step, to collect all that information needed to create a project charter. And then you will be able to move that information collected within that map into a template. In that case, let's say a Word document, which is structured, also aligned to that map. So you can just copy and paste the information, and you have the project charter really created within, I hope so, shorter time and more efficient.
Interesting.
So, and you can work at that project charter map with as a project manager, of course, on your own, but also with your project team, with your sponsor, and so on. So that is really the vision behind that. And yeah, I hope I can bring that to life.
Yeah, that's pretty valuable, actually, now that I understand what exactly this is about. All right, thank you so much, Marcus, for explaining the MP4PM .club. That's the website, right? Coming in October.
Yeah, hope so.
All right, thank you so much.
All right, I hope you got value out of this video. Do you have a question for Marcus? Drop it in the comment and I'll try to get in touch with him again and create a video just like this one if required. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. We are all about project management. We are all about PMP and other project management related certifications. Don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.